आशा करते हैं कि आप लोग अपने अपने घरों में सुरक्षित होंगे। पिछले लेक्चर में हमने आप लोगों से डिस्कस किया है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स ऑफ कंडक्टर, यानी कंडक्टर की इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स। तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में कंडक्टर को अगर हम किस रूप में देख सकते हैं तो उसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स की चर्चा किया था। उनमें से एक था इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक शिल्डिंग। टुडे वी want to discuss with you a new topic, which is you can say a new chapter, that is capacitor and dielectrics. Okay, capacitor we will discuss in detail. Is a device which store a large amount of charge and also the energy in a very small region. Okay, so before come to the capacitor and dielectrics, let me today emphasize you the concept of electrical capacitance and its unit, and also what is a electrical capacitance of an isolated capacitor of spherical in shape. So let us discuss about the concept of electrical capacitance. As you know, if we want to charge any conductor, then it is very well known that the charges which are supplied to the conductor resides on the surface of the conductor. Whatever the shape of the conductor is, but the charge only resides on its surface. By increasing the charge on the conductor, the potential on the conductor goes on increasing. So there is a relation between charge and the potential of the conductor. Charge given to the conductor and potential which is developed because of that charge on the conductor. So the relation is there, and here concept of electrical capacitance is the capacity of acquiring charge on any conductor is termed as its electrical capacitance. यानी कैपेसिटर हो या कोई कंडक्टर हो, चार्ज को अधिक से अधिक एक्वायर करने की अपने ऊपर, यानी कंडक्टर के रेफरेंस में बात कर रहे हैं या कैपेसिटर के रेफरेंस में बात कर रहे हैं, कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ कैपेसिटी टू एक्वायर मोर एंड मोर चार्ज इज कॉल्ड इट्स इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस। यानी कंडक्टर अगर चार्ज ज्यादा एक्वायर करता है तो उसकी इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस ज्यादा होंगे, कम करेगा तो कम होंगे। यानी द टोटल की फैक्टर हियर इज the accumulation or storing charge on the conductor or capacitor. So the charge present on any conductor is proportional to the potential developed on that. Here, if Q be the charge on any conductor, and because of that charge V is the potential on it, then this relation holds good. Q is directly proportional to V, means Q बढ़ेगा तो V बढ़ेगा, दोनों एक दूसरे के प्रोपोर्शनल हैं. So we can write this as Q is equal to constant C into V, and this is called as electrical capacitance of the conductor. अभी हम कैपेसिटर की बात आगे करेंगे. तो यहां पर and written by letter C, so C can be written as equal to Q upon V. This is the important thing. C is equal to Q upon V. That is, we can define C, the electrical capacitance of any conductor is defined as the ratio of charge on it to the potential difference, sorry, potential developed on it because of that charge. So this is the definition of electrical capacitance, that is ratio of charge present on the conductor to the potential developed on that conductor because of that charge. The ratio of these two, charge and voltage, or sorry, potential, gives you the electrical capacitance of any conductor. And certainly its SI unit and dimension. Its unit and dimension. As you know, the SI unit of charge is coulomb. Q की यूनिट क्या है? coulomb. And V की यूनिट क्या है? volt. So the unit of C can be written as equal to coulomb per volt. That is, we can write coulomb ampere into second upon joule per coulomb. See, okay. So we can write this as ampere into ampere, or we simply, in place of this, we can write this as farad. And this can be written as ampere into second whole square upon joule. If we write in terms of some other fundamental units, this can be written as ampere square into second square upon kg meter square second minus 2. That is dimension, अगर हमें लिखना हो, dimension of C, that is equal to definitely m minus 1 and L minus 2 t raised to the power 4 and A square. So this is the dimensional formula of electrical capacitance, that is C. So we have a clear-cut concept of electrical capacitance of any conductor. ध्यान रहे, we are talking about the electrical capacitance of any conductor, क्योंकि चार्ज कंडक्टर भी एक्वायर करेगा और उस चार्ज के कारण उस कंडक्टर में पोटेंशियल डेवलप होगा, दोनों दूसरे के प्रोपोर्शनल होंगे. और फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट note this point that from C is equal to Q upon V, it seems to be that the electrical capacitance depends upon the charge and potential, but it doesn't so. Electrical capacitance is the characteristic property of the capacitor or the conductor. So C is the characteristic property. It depends on the shape and size of the conductor as well. And also it depends upon two other factors. Second one is the medium, and third one is the presence of other conductor near it. यानी अपने आसपास अन्य चालकों, अन्य कंडक्टर्स की प्रेजेंस पर डिपेंड करेगा कैपेसिटी उसकी कंडक्टर की, साथ साथ मीडियम कैसा है इस पर डिपेंड करेगा, और उसका शेप क्या है, स्मॉल स्फीयर है कि लार्जर स्फीयर है, या जो भी कंडक्टर जिस नेचर का है उसमें से उसका शेप और साइज क्या है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट द इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द कंडक्टर इज, इट विल नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन हाउ मच चार्ज, हाउ मच पोटेंशियल इज डेवलप्ड, क्योंकि पोटेंशियल और चार्ज ये दोनों एक दूसरे के प्रोपोर्शनल हैं, और ये और साइज के अनुसार ये चार्ज और पोटेंशियल, चार्ज तो उतना ही रहेगा, पोटेंशियल भी उसी के हिसाब से डेवलप होगा. So this is all about the electrical concept of electrical potential. Now let me discuss electrical capacitance of an isolated capacitor. Sorry, an isolated conductor. Electrical capacitance of an isolated conductor. ओके, किसी विलगित गोलीय चालक की धारिता की बात हम करने जा रहे हैं. आइसोलेटेड मीन्स विलगित, जिसका कि किसी अन्य के साथ कोई संपर्क ना हो, अकेले है. यानी मैंने यहाँ पहले ही कह दिया कि उसके आसपास कोई अन्य कंडक्टर नहीं है. मीडियम हम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. लेट अस अज्यूम दैट a spherical conductor, assume that a spherical conductor of radius a is placed in air, okay, and if charge Q is given to it, then what happens? Let us assume that this is a spherical conductor, okay, having radius small a, and if it is given a charge, let us say positive charge plus Q, then what will happen? The charge is uniformly distributed on its surface, uniformly, plus Q be the charge, and what will happen? The electric field goes outside with this conductor, okay, and there is a field which is just outward radially, and there is a potential which is constant from center to the sphere, surface of the sphere as a whole. The potential center से लेकर के surface तक same होगा. And what will be the potential on it? The potential on the surface of the conductor is written as V is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon A. Rather, here in place of R, we write A. By calculation, the potential is that much. So, the electrical capacitance of any conductor of a conductor having a given shape C is equal to Q upon V from definition, and this written as Q upon 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon A, that is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 A. C is equal to. So this is the important relation. This gives us information that capacitance of the conductor will depend upon the size of the conductor as well, because if the sphere of having smaller radius, capacity of the capacitor will be less. If larger radius sphere है तो capacity will be more, capacitance उसका ज़्यादा होगा. एयर की बात कर रहे हैं, बाकी मीडियम होगा, तो मीडियम के नाते suppose if the conductor is placed in a medium of dielectric constant K, then what will happen? Then V definitely comes out to be 1/4 pi epsilon 0 K into A, and C is equal to Q upon V करें तो हमें मिलेगा 4 pi epsilon 0 K A. Okay, this gives us a capacity of an isolated conductor in a particular medium, and this is the capacity of a conductor, electrical capacitance of conductor in a free space. So by comparing these two, we can define the dielectric constant of any medium by taking the ratio of capacitance of the conductor in a medium to the electrical capacitance of the conductor in free space. Gives you the from these relations Cm by C0 gives you K. So this is one aspect. And now let me define electrical capacitance, which was we have said that as अभी हमने कहा कि इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस की यूनिट क्या होती है, फैराड होती है. तो फैराड is a bigger unit. Okay, so bigger unit. Some practical units of capacitance, okay, will be microfarad, picofarad, etc. are commonly used. And now let me define 1 farad. Okay, definition of 1 farad. As you know that C is equal to Q upon V. If Q is equal to 1 coulomb and V is equal to 1 volt, then C can be written as equal to 1 upon 1, that is 1 farad. Okay, so 1 farad is the capacitance of such a conductor which is given to a 1 coulomb charge and its potential turn out to be 1 volt. So 1 farad is the capacitance of a conductor which is given to of such a conductor which is given to 1 coulomb charge and 1 volt potential on it. Okay, किसी कंडक्टर को, किसी ऐसे कंडक्टर का इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल 1 फैराड होगा, ऐसे कंडक्टर का जिसको 1 कूलम चार्ज देने से 1 वोल्ट पोटेंशियल उस पर आ जाए. तो द कैपेसिटी ऑफ और द इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ दैट कंडक्टर इज सेड टू बी 1 फैराड. ओके, नाउ this is all about the electrical capacitance of a conductor, of an isolated conductor, and what is 1 farad capacitance, what is the unit of electrical capacitance and its dimension. Now on the next video lecture we will discuss about the what is the energy stored in the in charging any conductor. जब किसी भी कंडक्टर को हम चार्ज करते हैं तो उसमें कितनी एनर्जी स्टोर होती है, इसकी चर्चा अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे एंड हम जल्दी ही नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ आएंगे. दैट्स ऑल टुडे.